It's been a minute, but I got me a job. You never seen me with my glasses on, which I don't wear them much. But anyways, I went to work with a construction company. I'm gonna try to get some videos. We're gonna put in a temporary bridge today, so I'm gonna try to get some videos of it and post a video with this video. So it ain't gonna be no logging videos, but I do got some videos from that last job. I gotta get my software updated so I can edit the videos. But anyways, I'll get them up. I got about 2 hours worth of it, so. But anyways, we're gonna go up here and I will try to film some of this. It might be between my legs filming, holding on. I ain't got nowhere to put my camera. So, but I'll get my GoPro back up, and I don't know, there's some places that I can film and some places I can't, I guess. I'll have to find out. We do a lot of stuff around some big plants and stuff, and I don't know if they want you to film or not. All this, you know how it is. But anyways, we'll go up here and I will try to get some videos. Lay in there. Tight road, tight road. I sold my knuckle boom the other day. Now all I've got is to sell is my skidder and my cutter. I'm hoping I can get rid of it pretty quick. There's a guy real interested in both of them. I gave him a package deal, but I don't know if he's gonna be able to do it or not. Guess we'll find out. Feels so weird working for somebody now. But you gotta do what you gotta do. So I hope everybody still hangs in there, since it ain't gonna be logging videos. I'm gonna have to change my name, I guess. Change it to Jack of all trades. YouTube vids. I don't know. I'll just keep it MSL logging. Keep it going. Which I'm still gonna probably do little odd jobs maybe, if I can find some. Maybe the timber market will pick back up. I can do a few little side jobs on the weekend or something, which these boys, they work about 7 days a week, so which I ain't gonna complain. You gotta work to make a living, pay the bills. Ain't been up here in years. Here in the boondocks. Easy does it, man. On top of Old Smoky. That's what it feels like. Top of the world. Oh, listen to Jake. Got old Detroit in it. Well, not old, but got a Detroit. And here we are. Gone.